I know you have been going through a challenging time lately, but I want you to know you have the power within to heal. Your body, mind, and spirit are resilient and designed to return to a state of wholeness. Have faith in your strength. The light of love can overcome any darkness. Start by nurturing yourself with utmost kindness, patience, and care. Eat nourishing foods, get plenty of rest, and give yourself time to recharge each day. Take life at a slower pace right now. Your health deserves to be your first priority. Listen to what your body needs and honor it. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Limit interactions that feel draining. Choose to engage only with those who speak to the highest, healthiest part of your spirit. Your environment can help or hinder healing, so craft it wisely. Fresh air and time outdoors in nature will lift your mood and perspective. Sunshine and gardens have restorative energy. Even looking at pictures of beautiful scenery engages your relaxation response. Find ways to let nature nourish you each day. Add affirmations, visualization, and prayer to your wellness routine. Imagining yourself healed and whole starts to make it so as you repeat healing words and pictures. Your mind is powerful. Use it to accelerate your recovery process. Focus on all that is still good and working well in your body. Celebrate parts that are getting better and express gratitude for health that remains. What we appreciate appreciates. Positivity creates more to be positive about. Release worry and anxiety. They interfere with your peace and healing. The present moment is all that matters. Deal with any issues if and when they arise. Save your energy for more worthwhile pursuits that move you in a healthy direction. Pain and illness make us more compassionate. You now understand in deeper ways what others go through. Use your experience to become a wiser, more thoughtful person. Find purpose in your journey by supporting others. Do not fall into the trap of negative self-talk or blame. Illness is not your fault. Criticizing yourself only causes more stress. Be patient and speak kindly to yourself. See this as a learning experience, not a punishment. Cry when you need to. Tears and feelings of grief over your situation are normal and even cleansing. Expressing emotion is part of processing any loss or change. Then gather yourself and move forward with optimism as best as you're able. Laughter really is wonderful medicine. Watch comedy shows, play with pets or children, share silly stories with friends. Anything you find humorous will help lighten your spirit. Even a smile can lift your mood. Limit time spent listening to disturbing news or discussing worries. Turn off electronics and get out in nature instead. Constant negative input keeps your mind focused on the wrong things. Protect your inner peace. Food is powerful medicine. Nourish your body with extra care right now. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Make eating a positive, pleasurable experience by appreciating flavors. Good nutrition supports healing. Drink plenty of pure, filtered water. Staying hydrated is essential. Herbal teas can also provide comfort, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and other healing properties. Explore different varieties to find your favorites. Don't discount the power of therapeutic touch. Massage, energy work, or other hands-on treatments relieve stress, provide comfort, and facilitate healing. Our skin is our largest organ. Give it loving care. Find ways to keep moving your body every day, even for short periods. Gentle stretching or walking improves circulation, lymphatic flow, and mood. Listen to your body's limits, but avoid inactivity, which can worsen health issues. Music you find uplifting can do wonders for your attitude and emotional health. Create playlists that resonate with your spirit. Singing along engages your whole body in healing vibration. Surround yourself with beautiful sounds. Creative expression gives you a positive outlet for turbulence. Paint, draw, collage, write, dance, or any type of art you enjoy. Don't judge the results. The process itself releases emotions in a healthy way. Look back at challenges you have already overcome in life. Recall how resilient you were. You made it through then, and you will weather this storm too. Reflect on strengths and wisdom gained from those experiences. You have all you need within. Each day, find little ways to help or bless someone else. This shifts your focus off your own worries, reduces isolation, and makes a difference. You have gifts only you can offer. Receiving the joy of giving heals too. You are so much more than your illness or condition. Do not let it define you. See yourself as a whole, multidimensional being with unlimited potential. Identity shapes outcomes, so take care how you self-identify during this time. Everything has its seasons. This phase of healing and renewal will pass. Life keeps moving in positive new directions. Have patience with the process. In time, you will feel whole once more. Keep hope alive for brighter days ahead. You will emerge from this stronger in body, mind, and spirit. Challenging times force growth that cannot happen any other way. See this as an opportunity to develop wisdom, strength, compassion for others, and deeper connection to your inner power. No matter what happens, give thanks for each and every day. Even difficult days contain hidden blessings and progress. Gratitude transforms your perspective. When the path feels unclear, stick closely to an attitude of thankfulness. It guides the way. Believe in the possibility of full recovery and manifestations flowing to support your healing. But also accept your current situation with grace if certain outcomes remain beyond reach. Loving what is opens the door to miracles. You are so much more than any condition. Your spirit is eternal and unchanged by physical circumstances. Nurture and communicate with your inner essence through meditation and reflection. This fortifies you emotionally and brings peace. You have everything you need within. Keep connecting to your true self. Limit comparisons to anyone else on a healing journey. We each have our own story, contributing factors and paths toward greater wellness. Avoid unhelpful thoughts like, "they recovered faster." Focus on your own inner strength, progress, and possibilities. You are in the perfect place to receive guidance about next steps for improving your health. Listen to intuition, pay attention to synchronicities, and be open to signs showing you the way. The universe is conspiring supportively behind the scenes. There is so much love surrounding and supporting you through this challenge, from friends, family members, neighbors, health professionals, strangers offering prayers of healing from afar. You are never alone. Let this love fortify and uplift you. I believe in you. I know your inner strength, courage, and worthiness of vibrant well-being. This difficult chapter will end, though the lesson stays. Keep your spirit and hopes high. You will overcome this. Brighter days await. Surround yourself with beauty today. Fresh flowers, soothing music, lovely scents, nature walks. Beauty is nourishment for the soul. Make your living and workspaces attractive sanctuaries that uplift you. Seek out inspiration. Find beauty everywhere you look by changing your perspective. Your spirit is a spark of the divine, and the divine expresses perfectly through you. You are exactly who you need to be on your journey. Appreciate all the qualities that make you unique. Love your quirks. See your weaknesses and vulnerabilities as opportunities for growth. You are wonderfully and fearfully made. When you feel your energy draining, stop and recharge your spirit. Take a break from electronics and noise pollution. Breathe deeply, stretch your body, refuel with healthy food, talk a walk outdoors, get more rest, do less. Joy is found in stillness and simplicity. Trust that your needs will always be met, even if not always in the way you expect. The universe has unlimited resources and is on your side. Stay open to receiving help, even from unexpected places. Miracles happen every day if you believe they can. You have so much to offer those around you: your gifts, words, presence, and most of all, your love. Don't underestimate how you positively impact others just by being your authentic self. Your light matters. You enhance the lives of everyone you interact with. Shine on. I believe in you, dear friend. You have so much inner wisdom, strength, and potential within you waiting to be tapped into. Keep persevering through the ups and downs. Brighter days are ahead. Breakthroughs and blessings are already on the way. Stay hopeful. No matter what happens, hold your head high and handle it with grace. You have an inner dignity and poise that cannot be shaken. Stay true to yourself. Express your truth respectfully but unapologetically. Keep following your heart and your own inner compass. You've got this. You are safe. You are held. You are guided. You are loved beyond measure by the divine, and also by so many others in this world who cherish you. During times of uncertainty, remember this firm foundation that you can stand upon. All is well. Stay playful. A lighthearted approach makes life's loads feel so much lighter. Enjoy simple pleasures. Spend time doing fun activities you love. Cultivate your childlike wonder. Laugh loudly and often. Don't take yourself too seriously. Levity lifts your spirits. Keep your vision focused on all the good that is still ahead. The best is yet to come. Brighter moments are already in motion, moving toward you one day at a time. What you long for is getting closer. Watch for progress and blessings each day, no matter how small. Forgive the past. Let all resentment go. What's done is done. Now is the time to create something better. Healing begins when you release and find peace. Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's strength. Free yourself and those who have caused you pain. All deserve mercy. You have so much to be grateful for. Make it a daily practice to count your blessings, big and small. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive, attracting more of what you appreciate into your life. An attitude of gratitude changes everything. Words have power. Speak kindly, starting with how you talk to yourself in your head. Use affirming language. Avoid judgmental labels. Communicate openly, honestly, and compassionately. Uplift and encourage others with your words. What you say creates energy. Let gratitude be your compass, guiding you to joy. It directs your eyes to beauty and blessings. Your heart overflows with thankfulness for each breath and all that you have been given. However you are feeling right now, find something to appreciate. Gratitude transforms everything. You are learning, healing, and expanding every single day. How amazing is that? Be proud of yourself. Celebrate small accomplishments. Give thanks for how far you've come and how much you're growing. The journey itself brings meaning and purpose when you travel with love. You are so very loved and appreciated. The impact you have on those around you is more positive than you realize. Your kindness warms hearts. Your presence makes a difference. Remember, in the end, love is all that matters. Pour yours out generously. You are in bloom. Progress happens in stages, so be patient with yourself. Keep nurturing your growth with self-care and positivity. Let your unique beauty shine. Stretch toward the light of love. Honor who you are, where you are. You're blooming in perfect time. Positive thoughts create positive energy rippling out into the world. Whenever negativity tries to slip in, refresh your mindset. Recall happy memories. List your strengths. Look for the good. Keep centering your thoughts on light. You control your inner world. When one door closes, remember that more will open. Trust in your path unfolding. Look for opportunities in setbacks. Mourn losses, then refocus on possibilities. Patient optimism will be rewarded. Everything leads you to where you need to go. You've been given this precious life so you could experience its many joys, blessings, and wonders. Do not waste a moment on worry, fear, or regret. Say yes to life. Embrace every experience. Let go and be fully present. Enjoy the gift that is this day. Laughter, especially at yourself, is so healthy and freeing. It puts everything back into perspective. Do something playful that gets you giggling. Make a silly face. Tell a joke. Life doesn't have to be taken too seriously. As we say, laugh often, much and loud. You will get through this challenge. Rise up within yourself. You are stronger than you know. Tap into your inner warrior, brave, resilient, and wise. Face difficulties with courage and purpose. Ask for help. Draw upon your resources. You can handle anything. When you feel the need to retreat and recharge your spirit, it's okay to slow down. Rest, reflect, be still. Enjoy solitude and silence for a time. Listen to your soul's whisperings. Renewal comes when you make space for what truly matters. You'll return with clarity. Stay open and teachable. No one has all the answers. Listen to insights from those with different experiences than yours. Change requires an open mind capable of growth. Avoid stubborn pride. Remain humble. There are always new things to learn about life, love, and being your best self. Let whatever happens next unfold naturally. Don't force solutions. The universe is already conspiring in your favor. Trust your journey. Allow life to work its magic. Destiny will find you if you just pause and breathe. Let events play out in their own timing. Relax and have faith.